Hello, in this video I'm going to describe 8 key steps that you need to do in the garden in order to prepare your strawberry plants for winter. You can do them in any order. First, remove all the dead plants. The diseases love multiplying and spreading on the plants like this. Another important step is to remove all diseased leaves. As you can see, the green ones are good ones, but everything which is bad green needs to be removed. It's better to cut them than to pinch them, because if you pull the plant, you might damage the roots. And at this point, you want them to be very strong and healthy for the winter. Don't forget to remove everything from your garden in order, again, not to spread the diseases further. Some plants, especially day-neutral strawberries, would still have some little green strawberries or flowers on them. Strawberry plant needs to spend their energy now for preparing for winter, not for producing harvest. Also, if there is only a couple of weeks left before the frost, they will not have time to mature. There is also not enough high temperature and light for them to mature, so the best would be to remove those that you think will not ripe before the frost. Here now I delete the full stock, and then before I only deleted few, and I hope that the other two small green strawberries can still give me their last harvest. Remove and discard all the baby strawberries. In this particular case, if you have one which very strong roots, which you think might survive the winter, you can leave them, but don't leave them in the soil. Like here, you see, I put them in the pot, so in spring it would be much easier just to remove the pot and put them on another place where they are going to grow, in order not to overburden plantation. The next step is weeding. If you find any weed, don't forget to remove them because you don't want them to take nutrition from your strawberry plants. Mulch, which you already had, whether it's straw or something else, has already been decomposed, so you need to add additional mulch, at least 10 centimeters or 4 inches high, so that you provide nutrition for your soil during winter months. This will also protect your strawberries from fighting weeds and from the cold temperatures in winter. Ensure that the center of the strawberries is still open and not covered. Don't forget to water your strawberries, especially if your autumn is not rainy. When watering, add potassium and phosphorus. The best way is to add it as ash. And the next step is, if temperature is still above 8 degrees Celsius, don't forget to spray it with biofungicides. Et voila! And the ninth, the most important step here, is don't forget to check my playlist about caring about your strawberries in containers or in your garden.